The orange hat tomato is an interesting one, and to me, it's such a fun variety to grow. It is considered a micro-dwarf tomato variety, and the plants reach about 6 to 9 inches tall at full maturity. The plant also stays pretty cute and bushy and can easily grow well in a very small container, so this is a great choice for a lot of container or balcony gardeners, but many people do choose to grow this variety year-round indoors if they can provide the proper environment for it so that they can have homegrown tomatoes even in winter. I have to say, for such a small tomato plant, I really liked growing it because even though the plant is tiny, it's pretty productive. It is considered a determinate variety, and as with most of the other determinate varieties that I've grown before, its production habits haven't fully matched up to that classification. I did get one larger batch of tomatoes, but the plant didn't stop growing for me, and I still ended up getting a few decent sized flushes from the plant, and it is now December, and it's not looking bad at all. There are some little branches that I need to prune off, but overall, it still has a lot of life left in it with some flowers on it. So, this is one I will definitely move indoors because of how well it's doing. And I'd like for it to keep doing well and possibly see if it will overwinter for me. But for right now, I will pop it into my mini greenhouse. But now let's talk about the taste. It doesn't really have a super unique flavor, but it does have a true tomato taste that is fruity, but also a little tangy, although I have gotten a few bland ones, but it could have just been when those tomatoes were harvested. And on the Brix meter, this particular tomato had a reading of 7.7, and anything over an 8 is considered sweet, so I think it's close enough. And this one was really ripe. I also didn't find it to be too acidic, which I prefer. Overall, I would recommend growing it, especially if you garden in a smaller space. But even if you do have the room, I think this variety is just really fun to grow. So I think it's still worth it for everyone, especially since it can be grown easily indoors, which makes it the perfect variety to have when summer is over because getting homegrown tomatoes during winter is extra special.